on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful, beautiful cream cheese Jell-O. So good. And here we go. Okay, I'm going to start out with a large family size of Jell-O. Put that in my pan. And this calls for 4 cups of water, but I am going to cut that back. So I'm going to put a cup and a half of water in my pan. Turn it around the right way. I always use filtered water. And then I'm going to start this. Get my spoon. I'm going to start this just on probably a medium. Stir it slowly so it doesn't go all over. I'm going to get that going. And now I'm going to take a pack of cream cheese. I'm going to put that in my blender. I did let this sit out for about an hour, so it got a little bit softer. I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to add a cup and a half of milk. Okay. And I'm going to put that in the blender with my cream cheese. And I'm going to zip that up. That should be good. And now I'm just gonna get my Jell-O going all the way, and as soon as it gets melted, I'll get back to you. You want to keep stirring this until you don't feel any granules, you know. Looks like I got some splashed on my burner there. I'm sure you guys have made Jell-O before. You just want to get it so it's kind of clear. This is a totally simple side dish to make. My little grandson Noah just loves this. And I don't put fruit in it. I just like it just the way it is without the fruit. But you can add anything you want to it. You know, mixed fruit or marshmallows or whatever you want, but I just kind of like it just like this. And yesterday I did how to make homemade cranberries sauce. And the day before that, I did how to make yeasty rolls, yeasty buns. All this stuff for Thanksgiving or Christmas. Okay. This looks just about right. You want it to be kind of clear. Okay, shut that off. Now I'm going to tip you back up a little bit here. gonna slowly pour it into this with my spoon. Mix it in. And that helps cool it off too. And then you just want to blend it one more time. Look at that pretty color. Okay, and then I just bought this little plastic dish at the Dollar Tree. I left all my good dishes up north, so then just take it off and and just pour it in. And look at that beautiful, beautiful Jell-O. And I'm gonna let that sit overnight. And look how pretty that is. My little video, they are gonna love it. This is my favorite. And if nobody eats it, I'm glad, because then I get it. Anyway, thank you so much. I'm gonna put that in the fridge overnight. And I hope you enjoyed my little video. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it and love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.